Hello YouTube, my name is Harshma and in this video we talk about functional variable and global variables. So let's start. So global and functional variable are basically same. The only difference is that when and how we are using it. There are only three kinds of variable: where, let, count. In the JavaScript, variable functionality is defined from where we are declaring or initializing the variable. The technical term for this is scope. Let's say global scope, functional scope. So let's go to VS Code and try to understand global variable and functional variable. Let's say we have a function car engine, and inside these curly braces, let's initialize two variables. Let piston 4 stroke, let power is 1000 cc. And now let's try to console.log one of these same variable, piston. And here we get uncatched reference error, piston is not defined. But we have already defined variable piston. So why JavaScript telling me it is not defined? Maybe we haven't executed the function, that's why. Let's see. Now we have called the function of the car engine. Let's see for the result. It's still undefined. Let me move this console log in the function. Now you can see 4-stroke is there in the console. So why it is happened? Let's say in this example, it actually makes sense. Car engine function is just a tiny part of an whole machine, which is car. Car has different sets of functions and properties like brake, suspension, gear, fuel systems. So let's add one more function, brake. Let's type disk. In this function, we have initialized the type of the brake, which is disk. In this example, the information in these two functions are very distinct. And let's say engine can only do engine work, in which property like piston power to manipulate the functionality. But in brake have their different functionality to grip the tire. But in the brake, we need brake type disk. So these functions are entirely different but interconnected within the same system, which is car. It is very crucial to specify things. Never ever leak out the information because it could crash the whole system. So this is the function scope. But there is a global scope. Let's say this car is entirely made up of carbon fibers. So we can initialize the variable outside the function let metal is equal to carbon fiber. So this is a global variable. We can use this variable or property in this case anywhere in the scope of the application. That's why it is a global variable which have good global scope. Let me show you the result. Console log metal. So let's see the result. Carbon fiber is printed as we expected. But wait, let me give you a situation. What if we need different kind of material for different sections, but on the whole it is carbon fiber? Copy this and drag it down. Metal for this engine is the console log metal. So console log metal within the car engine function, and let's call the car engine function. You can see alloy is printed. But what if we don't have this metal specification? You can see it inherits the global variable carbon fiber. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to Code Fusion. And I really want to improve my tutorial. So comment me down if you have suggestions or a question. Please support me. It really encourages me to give my 100%. Well, in the end, thanks for watching. Keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.